Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. I was in Shenzhen, China a few days ago, and just to let you know, I only brought with me 3 important devices when I went there. Number 1 is this Osmo Pocket 3 with the case and everything. And the other one is my iPhone 15 Pro Max with the rig that I always bring with me, and the Hohem iSteady MT2. And of course, the OPPO Find N3 Flip. Yun lang ang binitbit ko, wala akong bitbit na bigger cameras. Now the reason for that is because I wanted to pack light. I didn't want to bring too many. And in fact, I would like to do the same thing when I go to San Jose, California this December and CES in January. I just simply don't want to bring bigger cameras. Now, on to the first equipment that I brought with me. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. I got this via Altitude Digital. Thanks to my friends at Altitude Digital for letting me buy one. Now, it's already sold out here in the Philippines. And one thing is for sure that I'd like to tell you, this is the best vlogging camera available in the market right now. By best vlogging camera, I would like to qualify that. Best vlogging camera that you can put inside your pocket. Now, the reason for me qualifying that is because I love this. This is the Canon PowerShot V10. I still carry this with me, not in my last trips though. But this has been my go-to when it comes to vlogging. But this I cannot fit inside my pocket. I will always have to just put it inside my jacket, Pero ito yung tipong camera na kind of at the middle between my bigger cameras and the Pocket 3 and even my Insta360 Go 3. It sits at the middle. And during the time that I went to Shenzhen, I did not decide to actually bring this one because to me, it's still a little bigger. Now, still, I love that, but I love this even more. One of the amazing things that I love about this is the ability to shoot at 4K 60, and I can even shoot at horizontal and even vertical. And I can do that anytime I want. This is perfect for me as a content creator and producer because I want to be able to shoot videos vertically without sacrificing on quality. The problem with shooting at landscape and then at post, cutting the sides for me to fit in at the center para maging vertical is that it kind of, you're not maximizing the whole sensor for you to be able to have a better quality video. Now, with this kind of camera, yes, it drops to 3K 60, but you get the kind of sharpness you want and the kind of quality you need on your videos. I'm pretty sure that this is something that you were probably looking for. And if ever you're looking for a new vlogging or pocket vlogging camera, I don't think that there is something that beats this at the moment. In fact, in my previous video with my teammates, ito yung lagi nilang pinipili. Every time I ask them, ano yung pipili mo among all of these products available right now in front of you? And this was actually their #1 choice. Another item that I brought with me was, of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I always shot at Apple Res Log 422 LT using DaVinci Resolve, and I use this one from SmallRig. This is their latest line of cage with quick detachable handles. The good thing about this is that it also comes with this one. This is a remote, which allows you to take videos just by clicking. And in fact, kahit nga tanggalin mo siya, because it's powered by Bluetooth, you can just simply click this and it will snap a photo for you. Now, this one, you can just simply put the iPhone 15 Pro Max here. It fits perfectly. May mga cushions din siya para protected yung iyong iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, what I love about this is that sobrang andaling tanggalin ng mga handles. And you can basically, reposition it the way you want. Kung gusto mo mag-shoot ng vertical, it's just very easy to remove, latch and unlatch everything. And it even has hot shoe and even some, provisions where you can put your accessories in. I super love it, and I'm looking forward actually to use it even more when I go to San Jose, California, and also CES in January. Now, since the new iPhone 15 line uses Type-C, USB Type-C, you can now save your files directly to SSD. I'm using this Crucial X10 Pro para naman lahat ng mga 422 LT Apple Res log na videos ko goes directly to this one. Now, I just put it here. I'm also using a SmallRig na SSD compartment, no, for smartphones and for cameras. And I just put it right here. And it just sits comfortably on this one. And it is here sa may side handle. And this is connected to my phone. It's a very, very nimble setup for me. And it's all I ever needed. And when it comes to gimbals, sobrang fan talaga ako ng Hohem. No? This is not a sponsored post, by the way. This is the Hohem iSteady M6. No? I bought this a few months ago. And they already upgraded this with something that you can use for your smartphone, camera, and also action cameras. And this is the iSteady MT2. No? I got the one, yung kit version from JG Superstore, and I will have a dedicated video about this very, very soon. Now, this was very useful for me while I did not bring my cameras with me during my last trip. No? Doon ko kinabit yung aking iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it proved to be really a very, very useful accessory for me as a content creator. Last but not the least, yung ginamit ko during my last trip was the OPPO Find N3 Flip. No? It was my go-to device, no, kapag ka naman taking photos. In fact, all of the photos that are posted, no, in my IG, in our Gadget Pilipinas IG, and even yung recent article na pinost ko sa Gadget Pilipinas were actually shot on using the Find N3 Flip. No? I super love the Hasselblad tuning that they've done so far. Super cool sa landscape, no? Litaw na litaw yung mga kulay, and that's something that I really, really wanted to have before pa, no? At sobrang laki ng in-improve ng Hasselblad technology, Hasselblad tuning on the new line of smartphones by OPPO. Sobrang harsh ako kay OPPO, no, in the past, because I always thought na yung presyo ng phone nila are a little higher on the pricing side of things. Pero yung camera features, especially the rear-facing cameras, ay hindi ganun ka-okay, no? Previously. In fact, you can check out my previous reviews at ayun yung sinabi ko. Now, pero, no, ang laki na naging difference, no, starting Reno 10, no? Even Reno 8, doon nagsimulang gumanda yung performance. Pero Reno 10 talaga yung pinaka-best performing in terms of cameras. How much more kapag dumating na sa Pilipinas yung Reno 11 should they decide to bring it here in the Philippines. Now, I like how things are doing for OPPO right now. In fact, I can clearly say that their smartphones are much better right now, no? And I hope they will continue to do so. And I hope that they will pour more effort, no, on improving their smartphones, especially the camera smartphones. And yeah, Hasselblad, no, tuning, improve it even further, no, and you'll get a bang for the buck smartphone. Even kung ano man yan, no? Kung dadali nila yung Hasselblad sa Reno, mas maganda. Pero I think that might even increase the price a little bit, no? Pero still, for me, kudos to OPPO for doing a great job on their new line of smartphones. Okay, that has been our quick video for today. This was just a quick update on what I've been doing so far. No? Ano yung mga pinagagawa ko lately at ano yung gagawin ko in the next few days. I'll be gone for a few days starting December 4 until the 17th. No? Because I have a few coverages, so tune in kung ano yun. No? I can't say yet for now. And January naman, starting January 2, I'll be back by January 10, where I will be covering CES 2024. Thanks to our friends from MSI for sponsoring the trip. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!